Hey everyone, welcome back. So, just wanted to start off with a close-up on how this one dried. So you guys can see the only color that really selled out was the black. And you got some really pretty, focus. Come on. So you got some really pretty lacing happening, you have cells happening. So that black, the way it interacted, totally celled up. You can see the cells, little tiny cells in the black there. As far as the cloud yellow, and then the metallics, the silver did not disappear. I love the way they layered those metallics from the copper, the two different golds, that rose gold bronze color, which is that. It's not bronze, it's totally rose gold. And then the black pearl. I just like how they layered, and they didn't sell up, they stayed very fluffy. Alright, so our next one that we're doing right now is going to be these 6 colors from our gold, our copper gold, our black pearl, our silver, our copper, and our bronze. Alright, so today we are just going to do another 8x8. Also, if you're new and you're just tuning into this video, don't forget to go watch the previous video. The link will be down below, and follow the instructions on that video on how to enter for a giveaway. One of these sets right here. So go check out the previous video and see how you can enter. Continuing on with this one, my thoughts today are, I want to start with a ring pour, but then play with it. So I don't know if I might do lines through it. I might come in and try a ring pour, but then, I don't know, do some swipes or something. But I just want to play with this, see how they react with each other, with no other outside influenced paint. So no white base paint and no black or anything of the sort, no colored base paints, just the Kingart paints. So I'm gonna grab a cup and we'll get started. So I have these cups, is really cool Picasso Renaissance vibe kind of cups that I got from Monica Tiamoni. They're so cute, they're paper. They're 8-ounce cups, by the way. We're going to be doing it 2/3 of the way. I already have it marked right inside. So we can fill that up. And again, we're going to start with a true ring pour. I'm going to throw this into a time lapse as I layer these into the cup. And afterwards, we'll look at what we want to do, how we want to change it, anything we might want to add to influence. I was also thinking maybe using a little bit of our kneadable eraser and doing dots around, maybe. So when the paint pours, it kind of goes around. That could be fun. Let's do that. So I'm just gonna let's do 5. That's 4 and 5. Now all I'm gonna do is just round them out. There we go. Alright. Time lapse time. Okay, so we have our colors all layered. I tried to break them up and make sure that there was enough silver and black pearl in between each layer. That way the golds weren't directly next to each other and the coppers and everything, so it didn't look too repetitive, but we'll see how it turns out. Let's get started. So I'm going to come in and remove these 4, 5 pillars. Alright, so this is where we're at. If anybody's curious how I mixed mine, what I mixed mine with, it is literally just Floetrol. Floetrol and about a tablespoon of the paint, which I'm absolutely loving. That this paint, the binders inside of it, do not break apart even with Floetrol, so we're not getting cells. So we're getting that nice fluid lines, and with these metallics, as I move back and forth, I wish I could show you guys right now, but as you move back and forth, you see every line, every separation in color, and it's so pretty. I'm in awe. Other stuff. Let me take you guys down for a second. Let me see if I can show you guys. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you guys like this? I was going to play with it. I was actually going to do something else with it, but I don't know what else to do, and I still have a little bit of paint. Maybe I can do a quick 4x6 on. There's our little mini 4x6 and our 8x8 with nothing but King's Art acrylics. But hopefully this was a better product review, just to show you how it interferes with itself. I kept the mixture very simple again with just Floetrol. Not sure how it would react with GAC or water or anything else, but I love how it reacts with just the Floetrol and no cells or anything. All these really pretty, crisp, clean lines and everything. So that's it for right now. Stay tuned. Hopefully this Thursday, Friday time period, I will be doing the drawing for the King's Art. So one last thing, I just wanted to show you these dry. It's been like 2 days since I actually filmed the first half, but I'm just throwing this at the very end because I wanted to show you guys how they dried. There is no varnish on this yet or anything, but yeah, look at that. Look at that color. It's so soft, especially the way it just blended together. So pretty. Here they are, dry. So again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys Thursday or Friday. Bye!